In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promo code on Etsy store. We'll walk through the exact path inside Etsy so you can confidently set up a discount that fits your business goals and reaches the right buyers. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy.com result to head to the site. Sign in to your seller account so you have access to all shop tools. Once you're in, click your account and open account settings. From there, navigate to your shop manager, which is where you'll manage orders, listings, and importantly, your marketing tools. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand sidebar. Select Marketing, then click Sales and Discounts. This is your hub for promotions. Choose Create a promo code to begin. You'll see 3 discount types. Percentage off lets you set a whole number discount between 5% and 75%. This is great for straightforward offers like 10% off for new customers. Fixed amount off deducts a specific currency amount from the total, which can be effective for higher-priced items or bundles. Free standard shipping removes shipping fees for the buyer. You can restrict it to domestic orders only if that fits your margins and shipping policy. Next, define any requirements for qualifying. You can set a minimum order value or require a minimum number of items in the cart. Choose thresholds that protect your profit, enough to encourage larger orders but still realistic for your average shopper. Now choose duration and items. Set a clear start and end date for the promotion, and double-check your time zone so the code turns on and off when you expect. Decide whether the offer should apply to your entire shop or only specific listings. Limiting the code to select items can help you promote seasonal products or slow-moving inventory without discounting everything. Create your code by entering a unique alphanumeric sequence, 5 to 20 characters, with no spaces or punctuation. Make it short, easy to remember, and typo-resistant, something like Welcome 10 or Thank You 20. Customers will enter this code at checkout, so clarity is key. Before wrapping up, review all details carefully: the discount type and value, any minimum requirements, the listings included, and the start and end dates. When everything looks right, select Confirm and create code to make it live. After it's active, keep an eye on performance and customer feedback, and don't hesitate to adjust thresholds or dates in future promotions based on what you learn. That's it! Your Etsy promo code is ready to help you drive sales and delight your customers.